through the nighttime, car loud, fire on my side. I got a tray, fire smoking, got some shit on my mind. Feed everybody plate, but they looking at mine. Phone me trying to come and chill, but I ain't got the time. Moving through the nighttime, car loud, fire on my side. I got a tray, fire smoking, got some shit on my mind. Feed everybody plate, but they looking at mine. Pussy niggas wanna hang, but I ain't got the time. Moving through the nighttime, car loud, fire on my side. I'm trying to eat, I'm trying to get this shit, I'm trying to survive. I'm trying to get it out the mud, and I'm trying to turn up. It's hard trying to hustle when you know they don't give a fuck. You dropped your head, you a king, but you gone in the dumps. You try to say your city, but you know they gone and they done.
Alright y'all, welcome back to Royal Vision TV, the official channel of the RGN Empire. So today, we're bringing the family together for something special. The Royal Grit Family Feast. Louisiana flavor, Southern soul, and RGN energy all in one table. If you're new here, hit that like button, drop a comment, and then subscribe to Royal Vision TV. We got big things coming. The food truck, the detailing van, Crown Threads drops, the music, the K9 unit, man. And this is all just the beginning. But because it is Thanksgiving, I want to give everybody, if you're at home watching it, wherever you are, I want to give y'all a royal happy Thanksgiving from the RGN family. Stay royal, stay grounded, and most importantly, stay safe, all right? Without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so it's me and BabyJ right here.
How you doing? How you doing?
So what's going on right now, me and him, we're about to run up to Walmart, Brookshires, whatever stores we need to go to so we can get everything that we need. And actually, I forgot my shopping list, so I'm actually gonna have to run back in the house and grab it. But while we're doing that, we just gonna get it done, okay?
Yep.
All right.
Get it done.
While we're at the store, we got Ivy and Mojo in there. They're just straightening up the kitchen so y'all can see the process behind what it takes supplying good food to our amazing RGN family. Glass fridge like that. All right, y'all. So we just made the butchers right now. We're going to look for the turkey and the ham and stuff like that. So this is just a little behind the scenes before we actually get in the kitchen and we start cooking. So follow me and we're gonna go get it. So they got the turkey right here. They got a fully cooked one. And they got a young turkey. So how much is a turkey? No idea. It's just $13. That's not bad. Let's get two. Turkeys. Now let's see. Now we have the turkey. Gotta get some ham. So let's see. Where's the spiral ham? Is it over here? Let's see. So we just gonna do this thing on this. Let's just put it up because my good food. He got a deep fry. We're gonna deep fry this. Okay, so now let's go get some Cajun seasoning. Let's do some slapping mamas.
I was just gonna say something.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with slapping mamas. So we said aisle 7. That's where it's at. And you know what's funny? I was thinking, I was like, honey, it would put bread because people use that to make sandwiches. See?
I don't used to have that monitor. If I don't see like anything that's close to it, I'm like front like, I just see water, you hit this corner, I'm like, ain't no one's down here. But now you see peanut butter, and usually honey's about peanut butter.
And here's exactly where it's at. Right by the peanut butter.
Honey, and more honey.
So let me see, we got that. Let me do. Do I want organic and pure, or do I want to take the cheaper route? Let me see. I think this one hard. Y'all hear that? God said go with this one.
Yeah, I already know it. Who the person that's gonna eat the most? Probably Josiah. Pour salt.
We got them. 2 things of Louisiana hot sauce. That's the best. Yes, sir. It said 4 or 5 steaks. So let me see. I say the trick is whenever you get butter, always get the salted because that's gonna add a little bit more flavor to it. It's gonna always make it pop. So we got 2 things. All right, first thing on the list, done. And 2 things. Let's go get some seafood. There goes crawfish chickens. You know what? Crawfish. We're gonna crawfish at 2 feet. When it seems one that, like Noah and the Ark, we like to get things in pairs, you feel me? Because we don't want one thing to get lonely without the other one. You understand?
You see how that celery wet? You gotta do a girl like that.
Tomato paste. This is about 100 things. So they said just 1 can. They didn't say how big of a can. So I'm gonna grab 2. Stuff to make the bread right. So we moving good, y'all. They say size don't matter, but I think it does. Oh, you can go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, I got you,
Thank you,
mama.
but he was busy. He's making He's documenting. Are you guys cooking today?
Yes,
Is that the
ma'am.
deal?
We got a whole list. You want to see what we're cooking?
What are you cooking?
Oh.
Y'all are proud, I can tell.
Yeah. Okay. So here's how the
And you
list
haven't
runs.
started yet?
We haven't. So we're probably going to finish cooking around 5 something. And that's just all our ingredients and stuff that we're trying to
Okay,
get.
so
Got the turkey.
you're doing etouffee, so you're doing crawfish and all that good stuff too.
Yes, ma'am. Then some dirty rice. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, and I'm here for my church is doing dinner today, and so they're serving dinner, but I did yams, and my family's not coming until tomorrow. But I used all of tomorrow's yams today, so I had to come get some more.
Oh, man, I got you. Shoot, that's the one thing we didn't get today because we grow our own yams and stuff like that.
Well, so you didn't need to buy it.
Exactly.
You got homegrown fresh.
Mhm.
Awesome.
Right.
Well, I wish you all the best. You better get cracking now, because you got a frozen turkey.
Say it again.
Okay.
We're gonna get some of this.
We don't have any more, do we?
We got 4 of them. We got plenty of butter. We got those.
And we got here, right?
And let's get the cheese. Let's cut the cheese on it. I love cheese.
Oh, what y'all doing? YouTube? What y'all doing in there? Hey, can I be on there?
Go for it. Go ahead, shout yourself
Hey.
out. Yeah.
What y'all shopping
Shoot,
for?
we just shopping for all this. Go ahead, check it out. That's everything we're
Who's
cooking
it
today.
for?
Oh, it's just for us. Our
Oh,
little
it's for
family.
y'all. It's for your Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing.
What's up? Who made this for you? Because I know you don't know how to cook.
What you mean? You know, I'm from the boat, baby.
You from the booth?
Yes, Lord, Shreveport, Louisiana.
I got it. What you want out here?
Sure, I just moved out here about 3 years ago trying to get like a
See,
new
I gotta
start.
stay away from these booth people because I'm gonna tell y'all something. Bad experience.
Bad experience. What happened?
He talking about what happened.
You know, I'm nosy. Let me be quiet then.
Y'all have a good one.
Y'all too. Let's see. She said she gotta stay away from the booth people. She said we crazy. So, heavy cream, Cool Whip, and vanilla wafers. That's fine. And vanilla wafers. Now, Cool Whip, heavy whipping cream, and bananas. So here's the whipping cream. It feels heavy. So I guess it's heavy whipping cream.
Especially if you have to do a lot with like milk or something like that, I should put that in.
I used to do the same thing. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just go to the gas station, so like until it's like it'll come to small things, and we'll just drink like that.
Ooh, y'all know what y'all should get? That's like a bonus thing. Y'all should get some cheesecake.
Oh, make it
Bonus. Oh, you make it so?
Yeah, we do the plain cheesecake.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I ain't know that.
No, for real. And bananas. Where is banana?
Hey, let's get on this podcast.
Hey, what's up, homie?
Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby.
Yeah, man. See, that's perfect. Please, let me vacate.
One more thing. You gotta send that to me. My number?
Oh yeah, here. I'll I'll let you put it in. I won't let you say it on camera.
Yeah, let's not say it on camera.
Hey, you got a cool style about you. I like it.
I like you too, man.
Oh man, thank
Hey,
you.
great hair. Hey, what's your name?
Solomon.
Solomon.
Yes, sir.
Ah, like the Bible.
Exactly like the Bible.
Gotcha, like the Bible. I'm Sean.
It's nice to meet you, Sean. I like that. And you are? Nice to meet you, man.
Bentley.
I'm Solomon.
Like the car.
Oh, that's my favorite type of car.
Right? And you're Howell.
Woo!
There's Howell. All right.
Man, Lord.
Nice to check you out, fellas.
Absolutely. Take it easy, my
God
man,
bless
Sean.
you.
Yes, sir. Happy Thanksgiving.
See y'all, this right here, man, this ain't just cooking, man. This is empire building. This is how RGN takes care of its own. This is how we break bread, build loyalty, and show love. The Royal Grit Feast is more than just food, more than just good turkey, amazing mac and cheese, even better, Crown Punch. Man, that Crown Punch right there was good. It ain't having no alcohol in it. Just straight orange, cherry, pineapple juice, raspberry lemonade, and of course you see the Sprite right there, man. But nah, it's more than all of that. This right here, y'all, this is culture. You know, y'all, when I built RGN, I wanted it to be more than a brand, more than just a business, more than a company, more than just a name, you feel me? I built this to be a family, a world, a kingdom, an empire. And after today, with all the amazing teamwork that our crew did, everything we put together between going to the store with BabyJ to RGN and Mojo at the crib, and they cleaning up, getting everything situated for us, and dicing and mincing. Man, I think all this food, we don't just talk empire, we live it, you feel me? But man, shoot, I think we all did pretty good today. I ain't gonna lie to you. We all learned a lot of different things. Met some interesting people. Man, especially G Unit. I think he was the most interesting out of all of them. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think the sweetest one we met, it was that grandma over there at the church. The one who was like, if you get a frozen turkey, it ain't gonna be ready by 5, so you gotta boil it. So she went ahead and dropped some real knowledge on us. And I appreciate it. Other chick, I ain't even get her name though, I ain't lying to you. She was pretty cool too. I really wish she would have told us like why she don't mess with like Louisiana people. Like we ain't nothing too crazy, you feel me? Shoot, we just real emotional and real passionate about the ones who the ones who we devote ourselves to, you feel me? But I ain't gonna go too deep into that, you feel me? But I ain't gonna talk too much, you feel me? I'm gonna let y'all watch this.
Happy Thanksgiving from the Royal RGN family. Stay grounded, stay hungry, and stay royal. If you're new here, hit that like button. Drop a comment.
I smoke so many blunts, man, I'm higher than the airplane. Shine so bright, don't get so high, I'm feeling just like Johnny Dang. So I took 4 beans and I took 4 more, then fuck it through 7 more, now I'm out the door. And my girl kinda scared cause she ain't seen me like this before.